Good morning everyone. Do you know what's the day and date today? Today is 16th September. That is the World Ozone Day. The theme for World Ozone Day 2024 is Ozone for Life. Do you know why we are celebrating this day? Let's follow me to learn something interesting about this topic.
Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16 to mark the signing of Montreal Protocol in 1987, which aimed to protect the ozone layer from phasing out harmful substances. The ozone layer is crucial for blocking of sun's harmful UV radiations. They raised awareness about the importance of ozone layer.
The ozone layer is the region of Earth's stratosphere that contains a high concentration of ozone molecules. This layer is crucial for life on Earth because it absorbs majority of sun's harmful ultraviolet radiations. Without this layer, these UV rays could cause significant damage to living organisms, including increased rates of heart diseases, skin cancer, cataracts and other health issues, as well as they can cause harm to plants and animals. Ozone layer was first discovered in 1913 by two French physicists, Charles Fabry and Henry Bison.
What are the causes of ozone layer depletion? Chlorofluorocarbons are the main cause of ozone layer depletion. Other causes are halogens, carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloroforms, etc. These substances release chlorine and bromine in the stratosphere, which destroy the ozone layer and allow the UV rays to reach the earth.
The ozone layer absorbs most of the harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun and prevents them from entering into the Earth's surface. It can also enter in the Earth's lower temperature. The UV rays can also cause skin cancer, cataract in the eyes, sunburn, etc. It also leads to increase in Earth's temperature, which lead to global warming. Volcanic eruptions are also responsible for the ozone layer depletion. Now, let's learn the various ways to reduce the ozone layer depletion.
Various ways to reduce ozone layer depletion are: minimize the use of vehicles, use eco-friendly cleaning products, buy ozone-safe substances, maintain air conditioners, use of nitrous oxide should be prohibited, pesticides should not be used, use renewable sources of energy, avoid using ozone-depleting products, make alternative work schedules, develop the regulations, reuse and recycle. I hope you understand why this Ozone Day is celebrated.